And this is just the leading edge. The heaviest is yet to come. Right now, our Doppler radar is showing some light showers moving right along that I-80 line, coming in from the Bay Area and pressing its way southward. Yeah, you're right. Roseville getting a few light showers all the way up through Yuba City. And as we look at Rio Vista, getting some light showers, as well as Vacaville and Fairfield. Snow's been piling up all day long for the northern part of the state, and now it is starting to move along I-80, but very few snow showers right now. The big plume of moisture is off the coast, and it's all headed our way overnight into early tomorrow morning. We'll start it off at 7 p.m. As you can see, showers continue to move through. At midnight, pretty heavy throughout the Sacramento region, and then a few showers early tomorrow morning for Stockton and Modesto. But that snow continues for the Sierra all morning long into the noontime hours, with a few showers for the foothills as well. By about 7 p.m., things are starting to wind down for the Sierra, but we look off the coast and here comes that next wave getting ready to move on through, and it's going to move in by Sunday. So we are expecting a 1-2 punch here over the weekend. A winter storm warning posted from 7 p.m. through 4 p.m. tomorrow. 6 to 14 inches expected, with snow all the way down to 4,000 feet. We'll talk about that next system due in on Sunday, kind of time that out and show you what to expect throughout the state. Might need chains on the Grapevine as well as near Mount Shasta over the weekend. We'll talk about that in a moment.
There's almost no break from this type of weather for the next 10 days, Monica.
That's right. A little bit of a break right now for the valley. But again, this is all temporary because of the way these storms are going to be coming in. Still seeing areas of rain and snow piling up here along 80 and 50. That's the most active weather right now, as we were seeing live from Carlos with our winter weather advisory in effect until midnight. 2 inches of additional snow, poor visibility. Chain controls will be fluctuating. You can see from this image here, I-80 at Kingvale. It's just a tough ride up there. But as Mother Nature was providing free refills on the slopes all day long. A Mother Nature special there. All right, snow comes to an end for tonight. We get a nice break for tomorrow morning. If you're looking to get out for that walk, that run, the bike ride, should be okay tomorrow morning, but foggy. And then the rain bands start picking up again right about 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon through the valley. Snow for the Sierra, and that will continue through much of tomorrow evening into early Friday. Again, those are just two systems lined up with this precipitation pipeline. Look at this over the next 10 days. Wave after wave of moisture sending that rain and the snow in through Northern California, totaling potentially, some models are saying, up to over 4 inches of rain for parts of Northern California, and that may mean several feet of snow for the Sierra. We'll break down a little bit more on what that could mean for the drought situation coming up in just a moment.
All right, we'll talk to you soon, Monica. Talk to Monica now. We've got another band of rain coming in.
All right, yes, well, one is departing off to the east, so we have a few lingering snow showers. That's about it. A few light showers for the foothills, but all in all, this is winding down. Temperatures are at 53 degrees for Sacramento, Stockton 52, Modesto we're at 56, Marysville 51, and South Lake Tahoe at 31 degrees. Here comes that next round of wet weather already streaming in from the Pacific. It's going to hit us by tomorrow afternoon, and it's going to give us some pretty nice rainfall totals, about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of rain for the valley, higher totals for the foothills. And for the Sierra, we're going to call for another 5 to almost 16 inches of snow. For the highest peaks, we're going to account for over 1 foot of new snow coming in from this next weather system. It's all piling up there, giving a beautiful shot up here for Castle Peak near Boreal from Pete and Patty. That was sent into our ABC 10 Weather Force at weatherforce@abc10.com, or you can hit the hashtag WXForce10 on Twitter and Instagram. It feeds us directly. Also have some weather updates from our ABC 10 Weather Force. Only about 8/100ths of an inch of rain for Bucks Lake, but we had almost 1/2 inch for West Point and Pioneer. Citrus Heights, Todd, they're reporting more than 1/4 inch of rain, and those totals are starting to add up, but we're still falling behind for where we should be this time of year. Since October 1st, the start of the water year, we have about 6 inches of rain for Sacramento Executive. We should have almost 8 inches of rain. So that's pretty representative of this entire statewide map, considering the drought, the 90-day percent of average. So looking back 90 days, how much rain should we have at this point? We're in a deficit for most of Northern California. Central California faring a little bit better, as is the Sierra. Sierra has just really been the big winner here and all of these storms coming in. When we look at the 1-year average, though, that is a bit more representative of what the drought monitor looks like. We're still in exceptional and extreme drought for a lot of the state. So these storms are really starting to add up and helping every bit. Tomorrow afternoon, here comes the rain, snow for the Sierra, and then you can see it tapers off by early Friday morning. And we'll call for some patchy fog at that point. Right behind it, though, by midnight on Saturday morning, here comes that next round of rain. And that's how we start off our weekend, with more on the way all the way through this 10-day planner. Tonight, we're going to see the snow wind down. Temperatures in the 20s for the Sierra. Highs will be right around 44 tomorrow. And it's a real fluctuating snow level here. No more of that low snow, 3,500, 4,000 feet. This is going to be back up at about 5,000 to 5,500 feet, at times even pushing above 6,000 feet. For the coast, 54 for San Francisco. Head inland, 54 for Fairfield. Again, rain starts up tomorrow afternoon, and we'll see that as well through the northern San Joaquin Valley with morning fog and afternoon rain. Sacramento, 54 for tomorrow, 53 for Roseville and Folsom, and about 52 for Woodland after morning lows right around the low to mid 40s. Onto that 10-day planner. A whole lot of raindrops out there. It looks like a break potentially on Wednesday. That's about it. So we're going to keep a real close eye on how much break we actually see in between these systems. That's going to be the real key with the next 10 days here. I'm in San Francisco at the Moscone Center talking to research scientists from all over the world, specifically about the California drought. In terms of our temperature, precipitation trends, we're hearing a lot about the Sierra snowpack and how we may not have a whole lot of water to pull out from that in years to come.
We found 10 years ago that 70% of locations in the West with good long-term monitoring sites had experienced declines in spring snowpack, and that's still true today.
The other part of why I'm here is to tell our story on the California drought. As much as these researchers are here to talk about their scientific understanding of the drought, they want to hear how we're dealing with it to serve in future droughts. In San Francisco, I'm Chief Meteorologist Monica Woods, ABC 10 News.
We have our human 7-day forecast,
We have
Monica.
the human 7-day forecast with Girl Scout Troop 2090. We're live outside the News 10 studios, starting it off with Wednesday.
It's going to be sunny at 85 degrees.
On Wednesday, okay.
On Thursday, it's going to be sunny at 89 degrees. Friday's going to be a nice, hot, warm, sunny day at the temperature of just 90 degrees. It's going to be hot and sunny at the temperature of 91 degrees on Saturday. It's going to be a nice, warm, sunny day at Sunday.
All right, okay.
It's going to be a really hot Monday at 91 degrees.
Okay, and I think this is the last day of your summer break here on Tuesday.
It's going to be sunny on Tuesday and 93 degrees.
Okay, the reason that they're here is we're doing some solar baking, so we've got some taste testers. Take a bite. Let's see how it is. Give me a big mmm. Okay, and tell me we're going to be right back.
We're going to be right back.